Hi everyone, it's Bitesize CG, learn 3D by taking small bites. In this quick tutorial we're going to set up our camera before we add any light or background, and after that we can render it, but we're just going to set up the camera first. So if you have the camera, it should look like this. If you don't have it, I'm going to delete it and add it again. If you don't have the camera in your scene, you can add it by pressing Shift A and selecting camera and selecting the camera. And if you press numpad 0, you can see what the camera sees. But now it's facing the wrong way. It's not facing our X-Wing. So you can adjust it where you want it to sit so that you can see your X-Wing. That's gonna be a longer way because you need a lot more tweaking. But an easier way would be, for example, if you want to position the camera, say something like this, you would you can press Control Alt and numpad 0, and now it's in the position you selected or you set up your view. So now you can just move it like a simple object by pressing G and moving it freely or on a certain axis, or you can also rotate it so that you can like make a more dramatic view. And also you can zoom in and zoom out easier by pressing G 2 times and pressing the scroll wheel button and dragging it up or down. And when you decided on a like distance you like, just press the left mouse click, and now you have your camera in that position. So you can see the camera and the camera settings in the tool bar here on the right. You can adjust and select, but we're going to go more in depth with this when we're going to start rendering our image. But until then, this is just a quick tutorial on how we can add up and set the camera. And if you found this useful, leave a comment below. If you have any other questions, also leave a comment. If you like the video, leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.